In this question, it is given that two satellites A and B go around a planet P in a circular orbit having radius 2r and r respectively. If the speed of satellite A is 6v, then the speed of satellite B is. So we know the equation for orbital velocity. Orbital velocity is under root of gm divided by r naught. So we know that this orbital velocity is inversely proportional to root of r naught. So we can write the orbital velocity in situation A divided by orbital velocity in situation B will be equal to under root of radius in situation B and radius in situation A. So we can write this is equal to under root of the radius in the second situation is given as nothing but r, and radius in the first situation is given as nothing but 4r. So we can cancel this r and r. So this is like under root of 1 divided by 4. 1 का रूट होगा 1 और 4 का रूट होगा 2. Now as the value of VA by VB is equal to 1 by 2, we can write this VB is equal to 2 times of VA. So we can write this VB is equal to 2 times of VB. In question it is given as nothing but 6V. So we can write into 6V, which is equal to nothing but 12V.